NurOwn is an experimental treatment that uses specially engineered stem cells designed specifically to help people with ALS. The treatment contains, quote, specialized stem cells that produce significant amounts of molecules known to promote nerve cell growth and survival, and it works through two important mechanisms: delivering healthy supportive cells to replace those that malfunction in ALS and providing natural growth factors that help protect remaining motor neurons. This approach aims to reduce nerve cell damage and potentially slow disease progression. Brainstorm Cell Therapeutics, the company developing NurOwn, continues to work toward bringing this treatment to patients. After feedback from the FDA that a new clinical trial is being planned to gather additional effectiveness data. In their Phase 3 trial, BCT02, researchers observed, quote, signs of a significant slowing in disease progression in people with less advanced disease after 7 months. The most encouraging results were seen specifically in people whose ALS was less advanced, suggesting potential benefits of earlier intervention, but shouldn't discourage anyone who is past those earlier days. This isn't an exclusion, and even if you are that person or someone who loves someone with ALS, don't ever give up that hope that the cure is around the corner. The point of these videos with information on these treatments, many of which are close to crossing the finish line for FDA approval, are active messages of hope. For people like my mom, who has had ALS for 4 years now, and for my dad and sister and myself, who love her more than anything else in the world, and even though all of these up-and-coming treatments aren't the golden cure, I think it's important to recognize their potential to help in all the ways that they're able to be aware of how much closer researchers are coming to find that golden cure, and to give us all that boost to make things better until the big breakthrough we're all waiting for. So remember to think about that when I show you this video, Mama, and everyone else out there too. Never ever give up. As far as this video and NurOwn go, this treatment represents a promising approach that directly uses cellular therapy to potentially address some of the fundamental processes involved in ALS progression, with ongoing research to further evaluate its effectiveness. We're so very close, everybody. Remember that.